Alright, you guys, welcome back. Let's throw in this kitchen. I'm not going to show you guys how to throw in the kitchen. I already did that in the video, I just haven't posted it yet. I'm going to show you guys the daily process of what I do daily. So for all you guys that are naysayers and haters that leave comments saying I don't know what I'm doing, whatever, you guys can say or think whatever you want. I wouldn't be at a different house every other day or every day doing something in that house. And I've been doing it for the last 15 years with the same person doing the same thing. I know what I'm doing. There's things that I take different processes to do things. I'm doing stuff to make it quicker. Back in the day, I used to do stuff slower to get it done nice and perfect. You can't do that when you're at a different house every other day, or you're doing different jobs every other day. You have to move quick. So in order to move quick, you got to do things. You got to there's shortcuts you got to take. And these houses, you can do that. Certain houses you can't, certain houses you can. So let's throw in this kitchen. Alright, so since I got the doors off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure from here. I'm going to find my numbers for this to drill this hole. And these, good thing these don't have, I like when they don't have, what do you call it on them, angle stops, because it has to make the hole bigger. I can make the hole a lot smaller. Another thing I like to say about these cabinets, I found, I think, 2 already stripped in one of those cabinets, and one on this side up here in the top. The screw holes for the doors, whoever's putting them in. I don't know the brand of this. It might be Home Depot's brand, but Home Depot's brand would say, I think, like Glacier Bay on it or whatever, but it still could be made by Home Depot, I'm not sure. And I may not put it in the sink today, and I may not put it in the sink till the last minute, because every time I put in a sink, especially this one, this is a really nice sink, every time I put it in, somebody always gets it dirty and always gets it messed up. They either scratch it, they fill it with paint, who knows what they do. I mean, I've set these cabinets in here for one night. Somebody already spilled orange juice on it. Like you can see, there's orange juice right here. Somebody had an orange juice thing sitting in there and they spilled it everywhere, and just from one night of a cabinet sitting in here. So I don't think I want to put in I'll put the countertop on, but I just won't put in the sink, just for to maybe to the last minute, because I like those sinks. I like the way they come out, and I don't like them getting messed up. People put cigarettes on them and they put them out because it's stainless, so they think the cigarette can sit there and burn, and all kinds of crazy things you find out and you see when you're doing this stuff with other weird people. This one might be a pain in the ass. I usually need 2 people for this. I usually need to lift up, put it over the drain, and then have somebody crawl underneath and stick those into their holes. So we're gonna see how this goes, see if I can do it myself. I mean, I've done it myself, so this one's kind of big, or this pipe is a little bit big, and then those pipes are kind of big and flimsy, so we'll see. I mean, I have no other choice but to get it, so we'll get it. So the only way I was able to do it, I was able to get that and that one in with one hand and hold it up with my knee. But I'm strong, but I'm not that strong. I decided to just put a screw in there and hopefully it don't fall out, because it's only in drywall. But the only one I gotta get in is this other one. So I am pushing, and I just gotta get this outside in. Shit, that was easy. Well, now we gotta get it back down. You can see it was just in drywall. Alright, scratched up the wall a little bit, but it should be okay. So So now that everything's in its spot, let's make this all one cabinet. Everything's pretty much level for the most part. This has got to come back towards the wall, so that should make it level then. Let's start screwing it together. Alright, now that I got it all connected, not one damn seam lined up the way I wanted it to. These cabinets are junk, and I don't like them. But we're gonna keep putting them in because I could just start getting them from Menards because those cabinets are way better. These ones from Home Depot just suck. Alright, I'm gonna throw this up top. I'm not gonna cut the sink yet. Then do these uppers real quick. Man, I should have brought it in the other way, where I need to be on the other side of it. Alright, now we're good. Okay. Perfect. All good. Let's get these uppers in. I'm hanging off the wall a little bit because of that bumper. Plus this wall probably ain't straight. Still can go in a little bit though. So I'm gonna get these uppers in. I gotta connect. I gotta attach the two that are over there. So, alright, I'm gonna throw these uppers in. I already got the 2x4 holding it to hold it. Let me get my screw inside this bit. And throw this up real quick. This one. This one is a 30. Get it to where it has to be. Now we're good. And there should be a stud right here. I'm hoping. Other stud should be that's weird. Probably should have figured that out before I did it. Shit, I know in this window hole is something different because this window hole used to be bigger, so I need to figure out where the stud is. And it's probably not on center, so I know there's some weird stuff going on behind this window, so I'll figure it out. Okay, so I got these up, just hanging loosely, because whenever you do these, you want to hang them loosely, because you need to screw these together. So I have a bowl right here, which don't make sense because it's sitting level, so it's got to be the cabinets. But we're gonna squeeze that right together. Probably should have went closer together. Let's do this bottom first, then I'll do that top. Pretty good. These should go in pretty easily. little bit of cracking, but it should be okay. All right, gonna finish this, then I'll be done. All right, everything's in, everything's good. Only thing I don't like is I didn't realize this till now. So the sink is gonna be sitting right here. It should have been sitting right here. I don't think I would have been able to do that because of the way the drain was and the way everything's lined up. So it's not gonna hurt nothing. The sink will just be off. I'm gonna try to push it this way as much as I can, but it'll probably be hitting there. It'll be all right. It's not like $1 million house, so everything is good.